Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today we are going to learn about solving proportions, specifically focusing on the cross-multiplication method. This is a fundamental skill that will make solving equations much easier. First, let's define what a proportion actually is. Simply put, a proportion is an equation that states that two ratios are equal. In the example here, 1/2 is equal to 2/4. They represent the same value. This brings us to the cross-product property. The rule is simple. If the fraction a/b equals c/d, then the product of a times d is equal to the product of b times c. We often say, the product of the means equals the product of the extremes. Let's visualize this. Why do we call it cross-multiplication? Because we multiply diagonally across the equal sign. We multiply the top left by the bottom right and the bottom left by the top right, creating an X shape. Here is the three-step process to solve any proportion. Step 1, multiply the diagonals. Step 2, set those two products equal to each other to form a new equation. And step 3, solve that equation for the variable. Let's try an example. We have x/12 equals 2/3. We need to find the value of x. We start by identifying our diagonal pairs to cross-multiply. Now we do the calculation. 3 times x equals 12 times 2. This simplifies to 3x equals 24. To isolate x, we divide both sides by 3, which gives us our final answer. X equals 8. What if the variable is in the denominator? It works exactly the same way. In this example, 5/n equals 10/4. We cross-multiply. 10 times n equals 5 times 4. This gives us 10n equals 20. Divide by 10, and n equals 2. Sometimes you might see an expression like x plus 2. You treat the whole group as one item. Here, 2 multiplies the entire group x plus 2. We distribute the 2 to get 2x plus 4 equals 12, and then solve normally to find that x equals 4. To summarize, remember to identify your equal ratios, draw your cross, and use the formula a d equals bc and always. Be sure to plug your answer back into the original fraction to verify it makes a true statement.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.